others, India should itself end its involvement in terrorism, subversion, and espionage against Pakistan. On the 1st of January at 1100 hours, in fulfillment of our legal obligations, Pakistan and India exchanged lists of nuclear installations and facilities, and the lists of prisoners in each other's custody. These exchanges take place annually as per the Agreement on Prohibition of Attacks against Nuclear Installations and Facilities, signed on 31st December 1988 and ratified on 27th January 1991, and the Consular Access Agreement of 2008. As this is our first media briefing in 2023, I would like to give a brief overview of the human rights violations in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir during the year 2022. India continued with its policy of oppression and intimidation of the people of IIOJK. Indian forces reportedly killed 214 Kashmiris, 57 of them in custody or in fake encounters. Only last week, 4 individuals were killed in a fake encounter in Sidra town in Jammu. There are reports that bodies were charred beyond recognition. We call upon the international human rights machinery and organizations to take note of this tragedy. According to available accounts, over 4,000 Kashmiris remain imprisoned in different jails of IIOJK and India. A large number of these detainees were arrested under the draconian laws in force in IIOJK, such as Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Act, UAPA. Political prisoners and human rights defenders continue to be targeted and incarcerated. Resistance leaders, including APHC Chairman Musarrat Alam Bhatt, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Naeem Ahmad Khan, Asya Andrabi, and prominent human rights defender Khurram Parvez continue to remain in detention in fake cases. The imprisoned APHC leader Altaf Ahmad Shah passed away in detention. He was incarcerated in the infamous Tihar jail in New Delhi. He was denied timely and suitable cancer treatment. Those currently in detention are facing similarly callous treatment at the hands of occupational